Yellow flowers, trees, shrubs, perennials, vegetables. That's what we're talking about today. It's the Hope is Growing campaign that's initiated by Communities in Bloom Canada and independent garden centers. And what we're going to do is show you how to plant up some hope for 2021. So today I'm going to plant a shade garden with yellow shrubs. I've got some grasses, some annuals, and some perennials. First thing I've done is I've chosen a black ceramic pot. I think it'll show off the yellow foliage and flowers really nicely. I've filled up my container with some planter box mix, and one of the first plants I'm going to use is this beautiful Euonymus with the yellow foliage, and it happens to be called Happiness, which is perfect.